Hi, in this video, we will explore how to schedule a Zoom video conference. In the last video, we ended at this spot. We launched from Clever and we got into Zoom. Once you launch from Clever into Zoom, this is the page that you will be at. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Schedule a New Meeting. This will allow you to create a video conference link that you can post into Seesaw or Google Classroom or wherever your students are going to find it. So the first thing you want to do is give it a topic, and I'll just say training demo. You can give it a description here if you want. It's going to ask you, when do you want your meeting to be held? So I will just say, for the purposes of this video, um, let's have it at 10:30 a.m. The duration, you can change this. Don't worry about this orange box here about the limit. Zoom has opened up all of the paid features, or the getting rid of the time limit during the coronavirus school closures. So this orange box doesn't really mean anything. If you want to keep scrolling down, so the time limit will be set, your meeting ID, you can just say generate automatically. Here, do you want the meeting to have a password? So maybe you want to make sure that only your students can access this meeting. So you can go ahead and click require password, and then you can type in whatever password you want or use the one that's generated here. I will turn that off just for this demo. For video, do you want the video to automatically be turned on? I think the power of Zoom is that it allows us to connect with the kids when we aren't going to see them face to face. So I would turn on the host video, that would be you as the teacher, and the participant video, that would be the students. For audio, how do you want them to be able to listen to you? So telephone and computer, it's up to you. And then down here, meeting options. Do you want to enable people to or students to join before the host? I would say do not check this box. If you check this box and students click on the link before you're there, then they can be talking to each other and chatting, and it would be an unmonitored video situation. So I would not check this box. I would, however, check the second box, mute participants upon entry. Because we are dealing with remote learning, we do not know the um, home environment that our kids might be in when they hop onto your Zoom video. So you just want to make sure that they're muted so any sounds that are coming from their house are not interfering with your video. If you enable waiting room, that just kind of gives you a place to hold the kids before you're ready to start the video. I think for the most basic uses of how we're going to be using Zoom, I don't think you need to enable that. And I would say record the meeting automatically on the computer. This will save a copy, save a recording of your video onto your computer for any kids who aren't able to join live. So you could then post this video in Seesaw or Google Classroom or wherever you have the hub for your learning so students could go back in and watch. So once you've personalized and customized all of your settings, you can go ahead and click Save. And so now you'll notice here, this is the meeting that I just set up. I called it training demo. I can add it to my calendars. It gives me a meeting ID. There's no password. Here's the actual link. So I would copy this and put it into Google Classroom or wherever I want my students to attend. And then here are the different features that I had selected. So you can always, if you forgot to mute the kids or you forgot to hit record, you can go back in and edit this meeting. And even though I said that I wanted it to start at 10:30, if I decide, you know what, I'm just going to hop on now, you can always click this start meeting button, and then that link will be live and the kids can join you in a video. So in the next video, I will show you how to, or what the screens kind of look like when kids are joining a video with you and what are some of the options that you have.